Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram wide screen problem. So let's get started. Well, if you open up Instagram but you find a wide screen, so you can't log in and you can do nothing. Here, the first thing we're gonna do to fix that problem is to tap on the power button and power off your phone and then restart it. The second thing that you can do is to go to your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. This interface will appear. Now choose the second option, manage apps. Here scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. And now tap on clear data, then clear cache. So this is gonna refresh the app and delete if there's any kind of bugs or issues in the app. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.